Embarking on a journey to make healthier food choices often begins at the grocery store. Amidst the myriad of options, it's essential to have a strategy that supports your wellness goals. Today, we offer practical tips on how to make nutritious choices during your next grocery shopping excursion. 1. Plan your meals and make a list. Begin your grocery shopping with a plan. Outline your meals for the week and create a list of necessary ingredients. Having a structured list helps you stay focused, reduces impulse purchases, and ensures you have everything you need for balanced meals. 2. Shop the perimeter. The outer aisles of the grocery store typically house fresh produce, lean proteins, dairy, and whole grains. These areas are rich in nutrient-dense foods, making them a cornerstone for a healthy shopping experience. Prioritize items from these sections to build a foundation of wholesome ingredients. 3. Read labels mindfully. Understanding food labels is crucial for making informed choices. Pay attention to serving sizes, nutrient content, and ingredients. Opt for products with minimal additives, lower sodium content, and limited added sugars. Ingredients are listed in descending order by weight, helping you identify the primary components of a product. 4. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, are nutrient powerhouses. Incorporating these into your diet provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim to fill your cart with a colorful array of fresh, unprocessed foods to maximize nutritional benefits. 5. Be cautious in the snack aisles. Snack aisles can be tempting, but they often house highly processed and calorie-dense items. Instead of reaching for prepackaged snacks, consider alternatives like nuts, seeds, yogurt, or fresh fruit. If you crave a crunchy snack, air-popped popcorn or vegetable sticks with hummus can be healthier options. Transforming your grocery shopping habits is a key step towards a healthier lifestyle.